Hi everyone, I'm Flora Uzoka. I'm a QuickBooks Online Certified Pro Advisor. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up a customer. Customers are the individuals or businesses that purchase your product and services. To begin recording sales in QuickBooks Online, it's essential to create customer profiles in your customer list. When you create a customer profile, you have access to 5 sections for including additional details. To set up a customer, there are 3 ways to access the customer profile form. The first way is to scroll down and click on customer, just one click. Take you to the customer form. That's the first way. The second way is to click on this plus new menu. Under customer, you click on add customer. It'll take you to the same form. And the last way to access customer form, when you click on sales, select sales on the navigation menu. Customer, select customer tab. On the right hand side, you have the new customer. Select new customer to take you to the customer form where you can enter the customer details. The only field that is compulsory here is the customer display name. That's the compulsory field. So you enter the customer display name. Enter other details. You enter the email address. If you're going to send this customer an invoice, you'll need to enter the email address because QuickBooks will require the email address so they can send the invoice to the customer. You can enter the customer phone number if you have the details. Enter the customer's phone number, the mobile number, the fax, website address, and all that information. If it's a sub customer, you click sub customer. Sub customer helps track transactions for different locations on franchise related to a main customer. It's like a way to organize and manage separate parts of a business. If it's a customer, before you can create a sub customer, you need to have the parent customer account set up first. So the next section is the addresses section. So you have the billing address and the shipping address. If the billing address is the same as the shipping address, you just click same as the billing address. So you enter the billing address. The next section is the notes and attachment. The note is to keep track of any relevant information about your customer. These notes are for internal use only and can be updated or modified as needed. It's important to note that these comments are not shared with the customer. So the customer doesn't have access to the note information. You have the payment section. So you can select the first payment, the primary payment method here by clicking on this downward arrow. You select the payment method and the terms of payment as well. You select it. By actually filling all these data, it will save you time later if you want to enter a transaction for the customer. So the next section that's the last section, the additional information. So if you have any other information like the VAT registration number, you enter the VAT registration number, the UTR number, the opening balance. If there's opening balance on this customer's account, it's important to enter the balance and the date before entering a new transaction for the customer. So when you finish entering the details, the information about the customer, you click save. I want you to know that instead of scrolling down or scrolling up, there's an easier way to just move from one section to the other. If you look at these icons at the top, you have 5 icons at the top. The first one is for the name and contact. So if you're already at the bottom here, you want to move to the top, you just click on this to take it straight. So if you want to go to the next section, you click on this addresses section icon. And the third icon here is a note icon. Click on the note icon, take you to the notes section. You have the payment icon here, and take you to the payment section. And you have the additional information. If you don't want these icons to be displayed, you can click on this minimize icon here. If you want to open it again, just click on this hamburger bar here, click on it. If you want to collapse and expand this section, you just click on this upward arrow here to collapse it, each section. So once you finish entering the customer information, you just click on save to save the information. And that's it. I hope you find this information very helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.